Hi, welcome back to Thislovelystitch. My name is Olivia, and on this channel, we create what we love and explore the creative process. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to knit the garter stitch. The garter stitch is one of the most easy and simple knit stitches to make because it's just a knit stitch over and over again, regardless of which side you're on or what round you're on. So to make this stitch, all you need are some knitting needles, yarn that corresponds with the size you choose, and some sharp scissors to cut the end. So to start off, for garter stitch, you can cast on any amount of stitches you want. And for this tutorial, I'll be doing 10 stitches. Comment down below what you're trying to learn to knit in 2026 and what projects you're interested in making and what your dream project is. I know for me, for knitting, my dream project is to be able to knit a cardigan. Alright, all my stitches are cast on. So how to knit stitch. So to knit stitch, you're going to insert your hook in the front loop of your knitting needle. So it should look like this. You can see that I'm making an X. Then I'm left-handed, so I hold both needles with my left hand. If you're right-handed, these directions would be reversed. You're going to yarn over. I trap it with this finger, and then I'm pulling the loop over. So the loop where the needles were interconnected, over, and then pushing off. So showing that one more time. Simplify it should be stabbed, hold, yarn over, trap the yarn, lift up and over and push off. All right, another time. Insert, hold, yarn over, trap, up and over, stab, yarn over, trap, up and over, stab, yarn over, trap, lift up and over. So that's how you do one round. Let me finish off these last stitches and then I'll show you how you do the wrong side. Alright, now that I'm done doing round one, the great thing about garter stitch is all the rounds are the same. So I'm just going to repeat that step all over again. So stab, yarn over, trap, up, over, stab, stab, yarn over, trap, up, over, stab, yarn over, trap, up, over. So you just complete and copy that for the rest of the row. And something else that's interesting about garter stitch is that it's reversible. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to do 8 more rows. That way I have 10 rows total for a 10 by 10 square. And then I'll be able to show you the reversible pattern that garter stitch makes when it's finished. So in a minute, I'll be back with a completed swatch. All right, as you can see, I have finished the 10 by 10 garter stitch swatch. Garter stitch is very stretchy and it also is reversible. So this is side 1, side 2, exactly the same. So yeah, anyway, that is how you make garter stitch. Garter stitch is great if you want to let unique and interesting yarn colors just shine because you can really see every stitch in every row. Anywho, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and comment down below what stitch you'd like to see covered next week. Without further ado, have fun crafting, and I'll see you real soon. Bye!